Hey everyone, welcome back to Essentially Unique DIY, your go-to channel for fun, easy and all-natural DIY projects. If you love creating your own beauty and self-care products, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own nourishing lip balm using just a few natural ingredients. It's super easy, smells amazing and makes a perfect gift, or just a treat for yourself. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of beeswax, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, a few drops of peppermint or vanilla essential oil, a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl over a pot, and small containers or lip balm tubes for storage. First, melt the beeswax and coconut oil together. If you don't have a double boiler, just place a heat-safe bowl over a pot of simmering water. Stir gently until everything is melted and combined. Once melted, remove from heat and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Peppermint for a refreshing tingle or vanilla for a sweet scent. Stir well. Now, quickly pour the mixture into your containers before it starts to set. Let them cool completely, and in about 30 minutes your lip balm will be ready to use. And that's it. A simple, natural and super moisturizing lip balm that you made yourself. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what scent you'd try. Thanks for watching Essentially Unique DIY. See you in the next video.